Welcome to HongKongBeverage.com. Every week we're gonna show you how to make a perfect cocktail. Impress your friends with HongKongBeverage.com. Now we're gonna make Negroni, which is one of our classics. One of my favorites as well. For this we're gonna use Bombay gin. We're gonna use Vermouth Rosso, which I'm gonna use martini, and then we're gonna add any amaro or bitter liqueur of your preference. All right. Remember, all these ingredients you can find it in hkbeverage.com. All right. So for the Campari, we're gonna use equal parts of all the ingredients. So we're gonna use 1 ounce of gin. Pour it into a mixing glass. We're gonna use 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, which I'm using martini, which is same amount, 1 ounce. And I have my amaro here, which I'm gonna use again, 1 ounce. Then we're gonna add some ice on our mixing glass. And we're gonna stir it for about 10 seconds to 60 revolutions, all right? We're gonna add some ice on our glass. And we're gonna strain our cocktail into our rocks glass. For garnish, we're gonna use orange peel, which I highly recommend just to cut one small piece of it to give it that essence of the oil. Then we're gonna throw it. All right, then we're gonna make our perfect garnish, which we can add on another video, and I can show you how to make different garnishes as well. And here we go. We have our Negroni. Enjoy.